Your car's been holding out on you. Every time you start that engine, there's hidden power, mileage, and longevity trapped behind dealership secrets, the ones they quietly profit from while you pay the price. I've worked on cars for over 20 years, and I've seen the same pattern 1,000 times. People spend hundreds fixing problems that were never real, only locked away behind simple hidden tweaks. Today, I'm exposing 17 of those secrets dealerships never wanted you to know. Because once you do, they lose control of your wallet. Stick around till the end, because the final secret costs $12 and has kept my truck alive for nearly 400,000 miles without a single major repair. 17. The throttle reset they'll never mention. Every car built in the last 15 years has an electronic throttle body that learns your driving habits. Drive softly, it stays lazy. Drive hard, it sharpens up. But when the system locks into lazy mode, you're losing power and response. Dealerships charge over $100 for a recalibration. You can do it for free in under a minute. Turn the key to on, don't start the engine. Press the gas pedal to the floor for 10 seconds, turn the key off, release the pedal, and wait another 10. Then start it. You just wipe the ECU's throttle memory. It relearns from scratch. Fresh, clean, responsive. I've done this on countless cars. Every single owner says the same thing. It feels faster. 16. The carbon chokehold. Pop your intake open and you'll see it. Sticky black carbon gunk clinging to the throttle and intake valves. That buildup quietly robs horsepower, kills mileage, and makes the engine sound tired. Dealers quote $300 to $400 for an intake cleaning. You can do it for $8. Warm up the engine. Spray CRC intake cleaner or Seafoam directly into the throttle while keeping revs around 2,000. The engine will cough, stumble, and smoke. That's carbon burning away. When the smoke clears, it's like breathing new life into your engine. Better throttle, better fuel economy, smoother idle. 15. Transmission sealed for life. Yeah, that's a lie. Sealed for life just means sealed until warranty ends. After that, sludge builds, valves stick, and shifts get lazy. Don't wait 60,000 miles for a flush. That's how transmissions die early. Instead, do a small drain and refill every 10-15K miles. It replaces 1/3 of the fluid at a time, keeping everything clean without shocking the system. I've brought slipping transmissions back to life with this method. Dealers won't tell you because lifetime fluid saves them money, not you. 14. Spark plug gap lies. Pre-gapped from factory doesn't mean perfect. It means close enough. Adjust the gap just a hair tighter than factory spec, about 0.02 inches less, and you'll feel instant throttle sharpness and smoother idle. It's a free performance tune dealerships pretend doesn't exist because they'd rather sell you a $250 tune-up. 13. Oxygen sensor refresh. Dealerships love replacing O2 sensors for $300 a pop. Most just need a cleaning. Pull them out, soak the tips in gasoline overnight, reinstall. That's it. They'll read like new. More accurate fuel mix, better mileage, less hesitation. I've saved customers thousands this way, and every time they're shocked that a sensor replacement was just a cleaning in disguise. 12. The breathing trick. That airbox under your hood is designed to silence sound, not maximize air. Drill a few small holes in the cold side of the airbox before the filter to let cooler, denser air in. Don't touch the hot side near the engine. Cooler air means more power and cleaner combustion. It's not about noise, it's about letting your engine breathe like it was meant to. 11. The MAF sensor miracle. That tiny sensor just before your intake is your car's brain. When it's dirty, the car wastes fuel and feels sluggish. Dealerships replace them for $200. You clean it for $8. Unplug, spray with MAF cleaner, let dry, reinstall. Instant throttle and fuel economy boost. I've seen people go from 14 to 18 miles per gallon in one afternoon. 10. Fuel filter fakery. Modern lifetime filters are buried inside the tank. Dealers say they never need changing. What they mean is you'll pay $1,000 when the fuel pump fails. Add an external inline fuel filter instead. Transparent, high-pressure rated, between tank and engine bay. You'll literally see your fuel quality and swap it for $6 when it's dirty. Prevents pump failure and injector clogging. It's the invisible mod every real mechanic uses. 9. The water vapor decarbonization. Sounds insane, right? But it works. With the engine hot and idling, mist water slowly into the intake. Steam cleans the combustion chamber, blasting out decades of carbon buildup. Too much water and you'll wreck the motor, so go slow. Done right, the results are wild, smoother idle, better throttle, quieter engine. I've seen 200,000-mile engines purr like new after this 8-coil swap upgrade. Some ignition coils from performance models fit directly into regular engines. Swap them and you'll get 10-15% stronger spark and faster throttle response. Costs under $100, installs in minutes. Dealers will never mention it because it's technically non-OEM. Mechanics call it the poor man's tune-up. 7. ECU relearn. After disconnecting the battery or replacing sensors, the computer needs to relearn. Most people just drive off. Wrong move. Turn key on, wait 10 seconds, then start and idle for 15 minutes untouched. This resets fuel trims, idle timing, and air-fuel ratios perfectly. Dealers charge $150 to do this exact same reprogram. 6. Timing optimization. Run 2 or 3 tanks of 91+ octane fuel, then reset the ECU. It'll detect knock-free combustion and automatically advance timing, improving throttle and torque. It's the cleanest, safest way to unlock hidden performance without touching a wrench. 5. Catalytic converter cleaner. Instead of replacing your clogged cat for $1,000, add half a can of lacquer thinner to half a tank of gas. Drive 30 minutes at highway speed to heat it up. It burns off buildup, clears exhaust restriction, and improves throttle. I've seen stubborn check engine lights vanish halfway down the freeway. 4. PCV pressure fix. Your PCV valve regulates crankcase pressure, but when it sticks, it floods your intake with oil vapor. Slip a tiny fuel filter in line with the PCV hose. It traps oil mist and keeps your valves clean. Same concept as a $150 catch can system for $3. Cleaner air, less detonation, longer engine life. 3. Throttle response sync. After your ECU relearn, disconnect the battery again. Press the gas pedal 10 times in a row, reconnect, and start. It resets pedal voltage mapping. Suddenly, throttle delay disappears. Feels like your car just shed 500 pounds. 2. Injector pulse cleaning. Instead of adding cleaner to your tank, feed injector cleaning solution directly through the fuel rail for 5 minutes, then let it sit before restarting. It burns out varnish instantly. Your car will smoke, stumble, then purr smoother than ever. Dealers charge hundreds for this professional injector service. You can do it for $20. 1. The oil friction secret. Add a molybdenum or zinc-based friction modifier during oil change. It coats metal surfaces, reduces wear, and lowers temperature. I've had engines run quieter and smoother instantly. My old Corolla went another 40,000 miles without a single tick. Manufacturers discourage it because it makes their synthetic blends look weak. But pros know it's the reason high-mileage engines survive. You just learned 17 hidden secrets that cost less than $100 total and can save you thousands in repairs. Start with the throttle reset today. It takes 30 seconds and costs nothing. Every one of these tricks flips the balance of power back to you, not the dealership. I've used them on over 3,000 cars. 0 comebacks. But there's one secret I didn't include. The $12 habit that doubled my truck's lifespan and made every engine I've touched run twice as long. It's on your screen right now. Click it before you forget, because if you're not doing this one thing each month, you're cutting your car's life in half. I'll see you there.